social conflict would be coming. So conflict among the Varna system, conflict between Brahmin and Kshatriyas, conflict between Brahmin na, plus Kshatriyas versus other Varnas, means Vaisyas and Sudras. Social conflict. Kshatriyas would be thinking that if they are the protector of society, they should come on first, no? In hierarchy. Why Brahmanas are there? And that's why the maximum sects, which kind of sects? Orthodox or heterodox? This is the period of Nastic Sampradaya, heterodox sects. Heterodox sect. Heterodox sect means they would not be believing that Vedic literature or Vedas are revelation of God. They would be believing that they are creation of people, not the revelation of God. That is Nastic Sampradaya, heterodox sects. So the leader of maximum आज के बाद नहीं, ठीक है, मेरे क्लास में बिल्कुल अलाउ नहीं है. आगे से बात मत करिएगा, मोबाइल वोबाइल ये सब चीज, ठीक है. मैं फीडबैक के लिए नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ. हो सकता है डांट दो, आपको बुरा लगे, जाके फीडबैक कुछ लिख दें. उसे कभी 16 साल मैंने फीडबैक के लिए नहीं पढ़ाया है. मैं एग्जाम को दिमाग में रख के पढ़ाता हूँ. अभी आपको खुश करना मेरा उद्देश्य नहीं है, समझ रहे हैं ना? तो इसलिए मैं बिल्कुल टॉलरेट नहीं करता, ठीक है. पढ़ना पढ़ाना बड़ा ही मेडिटेशन का काम होता है. यू हैव टू बी वेरी मेडिटेटिव स्टेट, समझ रहे हैं ना? उसमें ब्रेक होगा तो नुकसान आपका होगा, मेरा थोड़े होगा. मैं कुछ बताना चाह रहा हूँ, मिस हो गया, एग्जाम में आएगा, मैं बता नहीं पाऊंगा. तो इसलिए ध्यान रखना है. मैं मास टीचर नहीं हूँ, क्लास टीचर हूँ शुरू से, ठीक है. तो इसलिए मेरे क्लास में डिस्टरबेंस नहीं चाहिए. हाँ, तो क्या था, कहाँ पे देखा, ब्रेक हुआ ना? हाँ, देखिए टूट गया तो. हम्म. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बढ़ना. So therefore, the maximum, or you can say almost all the heterodox sects emerged in that period. Their leaders were Kshatriyas. Buddha, Mahavira, they are Kshatriyas. Because the Kshatriyas stood against the dominance of Brahmanas. So Buddha did not say, but in many Buddhist literature, it has been mentioned that Kshatriyas are greater than Brahmanas. Getting the point? So it means that Buddhism, in other way, Buddhism also believes in Varna system, just changing the hierarchy. That Kshatriyas are on first and then Brahmanas. So they also did compromise, but Buddha was not who said this. Buddhist literature sometimes mention this. So there is a conflict. There is a conflict. So social mobility would be troubled, social tension would be created. Okay. Now, religion. What kind of religious life was there in Mahajanpadej? When we talk about Mahajanpadej, what does it mean? Mahajanpadej means, what is the period of Mahajanpadej? 600 BC to establishment of Mauryan Empire. No? So Maurya Empire was established in 323 or 21. This is the period of Mahajanpadej. On the very top, on the heading, Mahajanpadej means between 600 BC to 323 BC. Now the religious life is also very much complex right now. Why? Because the rituals, presence of rituals and animal sacrifice, cattle sacrifice in Brahmanism. Rituals and cattle sacrifice in Brahmanism. Rituals and cattle sacrifice in Brahmanism. First thing, due to the conflict of this, means the rituals and cattle sacrifice. On one side, iron plowshare is being used, and for that more cattle are needed, isn't it? More cattle. But here in Brahmanism, due to the rituals and this cattle sacrifice, there will be decrease in the what? Decrease in the animals, cattles. And that's why in Buddhist literature, Annada, Sukhda terms has been. Anda Sukhda means matlab the praise of cattles. Cattles क्या है? They bring happiness. So they should not be slaughtered. They should not be sacrificed. Annada and Sukhda term. Annada, अन्न देने वाले. Annada, which help in the cultivation, and Sukhda. Annada and Sukhda are terms used for cows, cattle, because they help, cattle help in cultivation and they brings prosperity. So Annada and Sukhada. It means that Buddhism, Jainism like sects, they try to strengthen the economic situation. They try to, you can say, dignify the life of cattle because they are very important for human beings. So, ये religious conflict, rituals problem. And then a number of heterodox sects, a number of heterodox sects. Somewhere 62 in some books 263 means you can say more and more sects were there, heterodox sects. They have different principles, some similarity, some dissimilarity. But the most important are Buddhism and Jainism. Buddhism, Jainism, Ajivaks, Charvak means Lokayat Sampradaya, and some other materialistic thinkers. Now this is the time of material philosophy. Philosophy are of two types. Philosophy कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? दो प्रकार के होते हैं.